Hey, what's up guys, it's Burgers here, and in this video I'm going to test Fitz and can actually Fitz destroy Colossal Scavenger. Now this is very hard dungeon in my opinion, Grave of Root, and definitely the spell this guy is having is a lot of debuff. Attack, penalty, defense, we can go over everything. 1% of the target maximum HP every 2 seconds, healing reduction 50%. The good thing is it's not 100%, so we have a hope. But with Fitz, which we have to actually get all the debuffs, and the Fitz even going to heal himself. But this guy just have a lot of debuffs. Reduce recharging speed by 30%. That means every 4 casts is going to be actually just 3 casts with this 30% reduction of the speed. Poison damage. Basic attack have 50% chance to inflict poison. It's just a lot of stuff going on with this boss. Basically like 4 debuffs or 5 debuffs. This is absolutely very hard boss if you don't have someone to actually debuff. And I'm going to go for the level 95. But before I actually go, I'm going to go and show you my Fitz. Right now my Fitz, where is actually my Fitz, where are you, my boy? She should be level 70. Yeah, here comes the Fitz. I actually put this gear on him. I don't have much epic gear, so I'm going to use what I have. Also, the cost of every enchant is very pricey, so I'll try just to reuse my gear. Here we have HP, resistance, HP percent, and some defense, critical damage. We don't care about this. Of course, here we have some attack, critical rate, resistance. Again, we don't have big options because this one is starting with the critical damage, and this start with attack. We're just not so lucky with these things, and I definitely don't want to spend my gold over stuffs I actually don't need. But we have some resistance, HP, which is going to be fine, I think. HP 25%, alignment, defense. Maybe the gear is not so good. Definitely the gear of the Fitz is not so good, but still we're going to try and see what we can actually get. Defense here, resistance, defense, HP. Now this Guavers is pretty nice in my opinion, Guardian Guavers. So this is so far for the Fitz, and the spell we're looking from this guy to actually support us in our journey is the ultimate. The ultimate is grants 10% maximum HP and transfer all allies debuffs to the hero. Each successful transfer grants additional healing. So he's first going to transfer all the debuffs on him, and he's going to actually get some healing. And let's see, can actually Fitz help us against this very ugly creature in my opinion. What else we can actually see? Yeah, it's a single boss, so let's directly jump on the fight. Now, depending on the spell of this boss, he actually have some kind of maybe I'll go like this. Fitz is going to be here, Horus is going to be here, and my main caster is going to be here. Now here we just have Katrine, and Katrine is very good healer. She actually have debuff immunity, but this guy buffs and debuffs, basically debuffs is like for 30 seconds. It's very long time debuffs, so we're going to try our best. In the same time I have Sigrid that is basically doing my biggest damage so far from my hero, except my main hero when he is on fire. On the frost she's not doing that much damage. And from the commander we can increase maximum HP in all battles or increase alias accuracy by 30%. I'll go with HP here. My main here we're looking to survive as much as we can, and this extra 25% maximum HP is going to help us by a lot. So we have Fitz is level 70. I hope I don't have to level up him to level 90 because this is going to cost me a lot of potions. So let's start. Okay, we have to also care for this boss healing, and I will control my Sigrid here. Basically, this is one of the most important heroes. So Sigrid is going to fire up right now, just to prevent when the boss start eat my poor Hogris, right? So he don't get any type of healing. Okay, Hogris survived, but Fitz have a very big problem, and he can actually die right now. This is definitely not good. And my healer have to separate between these two group and this two group. So we're going to heal up this one, and our healer is going to have big problem because they're close to be killed. Also, and this tail, boy, this tail is hitting for so much. Still, at least we prevent the boss from healing. This is very important because the healing this boss is having is way too much. Okay, we may actually need a second healer here. But I'm not so sure who I have to just take out. If I take out Fitz, that means it's not going to help us with nothing. We're pure dead here. We're totally dead. So if I go for two healers, maybe I can go with Exandria. I think that was the name. But I don't think this is going to help. But we can actually try, and still we have to use Fitz since we're looking for the main ultimate of the Fitz, and this is the reducing, taking all the debuffs. So I'm going to redeploy, and this time, which one I'm not going to use? If I take out Sigrid, this is not going. It's not going to stop the boss from healing. If I take Fitz, this is my only hope to actually kill the boss with transferring all the debuffs. Other way, I have to focus on farming big resistance guild here, and this is going to cost me tons of gold, and I don't like that. So here we have my main hero, which is Frost, and we have Fitz. If I go with the second hero, maybe can I actually... No, this guy is doing pretty decent amount of damage, and there is basically no other place I can go. Maybe, okay, I will remove Fitz. But like this debuffs is going to kill me. The debuffs is going to kill me. Definitely is going to kill me. And I'm out of options. Maybe we can try with this. Fitz at the moment didn't actually help us. He died pretty fast. He definitely died pretty fast. Maybe, yeah, 37 resistance. This is not going to help us. And if right now the things don't go well, definitely I have to focus over the resistance gear because it's pain. I'm not going to kill this boss if I don't put some kind of resist. But I see maybe other people are doing that, and most of the times these people... Okay, let me stop Sigrid. Okay, we have this debuff that is going... Okay, it's time for Sigrid. Stop the healing. Okay, we managed to actually stop the healing. We have two healers, but this healer right now, Sandria, actually gets this timing on the spell for casting the spell, and this is very annoying. This is going to hurt us by a lot, and at least the boss is not healing himself and give us some opportunity to heal ourselves. Still, this stacks is absolutely killing me. Even though Katrine is definitely should somehow prevent this with resisting the debuff. Definitely have to help us somehow, but yeah, we're going to see what's going to happen. This poison and this stacks. Okay, we have anti-debuff here, but we have no debuff here. So yeah, we're going to see. This fight is mostly on the healing side. You have to heal as much as you can. And oh god, Sigrid is close to be killed. We definitely have to do something about that. because all my heroes is very close to be killed, and this is even pain to watch it. Look at this timing of the spell. This is the thing that hurt me the most, and this is the timing of the healing spells. Oh brother, my main hero just died right here. I hope we actually somehow survive with the secret to prevent the boss from healing, and we may manage somehow to actually survive, but I don't see how this is going to happen. Oh brother, everything just died. Yeah, definitely. If we look, the spell of this boss is poison damage to all enemies, inflicting healing reduction for 2 stacks, 30 seconds. This is huge amount of seconds. This one is for 10 seconds, okay, speed penalty, but 30 seconds prohibition is absolutely hard. So our hope with the Fitz actually broke. Maybe I have the idea to actually replace the Horus with Fitz, and like this, and level up Fitz to level 90 to actually support me, or maybe think about other hero, or maybe increase my gear and the resistance of the spell, because yeah, this resistance should definitely get boosted somehow, because this is my only hope to actually defeat this creature, and it's very hard. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.